Hello students, in today's class we will learn how to recognize the letters from the word when you are reading the paragraph. Follow two steps only to recognize the alphabet. Number one, you have to circle the letter from point to point. You will get the letter. If still you are not getting, then the same thing you have to write somewhere else. 100% students are getting, and if still there is confusion, please write the comment. I will tell you the next step. If you are not getting a capital letter, so you have to focus on the letter. Just start singing as we learned in the first class. You will get the letter. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.